Hey, how's everybody doing? Today's project is that line right there. That line is a coolant line. It goes to the radiator, and that's the hot line right there, and it throws some heat. So we're going to take and put some of this stuff on there. And here's a label. Design something. Design engineering is who it's by. And it's just got Velcro on it. It'll cover a 1 inch up to 1¼ inches. And we're just going to slide this over and get it over the best that we can and zip tie it. Do what we need to do. We're going to make something happen. We got to cool it down in here. It's too warm. So I got a couple things I'm going to do today. This is the first project. Getting that in, I got a couple of screws. I got a screw here. And then I got these funky, maybe not. I was thinking about push mount zip ties. But that line, yeah, it's got one up there, right there. Got some of them, picked them up yesterday as well. Okay, that's about it.